Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an automation to receive weekly reports. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go ahead once you're inside Trello and you're in what particular board, you can find the automation option in the upper right hand side. Also, you can click the three dots on the right hand side as well, and you can find automation. From here you have a ton of different automation that you can set up, and you can simply go through it and basically find an automation that you want, right? So as I said, you can set up this from anywhere. So let's say I'm on my board here and I want to quickly set up an email automation, let's say like that, for reports. I can click the automation here. Then you also have those options such as email report. So it's a set up email report such as a weekly summary of all cards that are due within the 7 days. This is a quick one you can easily set up. So you can set up this, and you can even set that you get a snapshot, right? You also have the option that says due soon. You can also get, like, for example, due cards and so forth. So I can say, for example, I don't want a snapshot, right? But I really want something that is going to due soon. I can click that, and here you will have the recipient. So you want to set up who's going to get that. You can choose the email addresses. So it don't have to be one email address. It can be multiple, and you can add those email addresses. And here you want to have the subject of the email that is going to send, and you want to have the message. So you can basically type whatever you want here. You can even send a test. So for example, I have my email here. I'm going to send a test right now so that you can see what's going to come to my email. So I'm going to go to my email real quick, and you will see once I go to the Gmail, it's going to show me the test, right? So here you can see due soon, my ideas, and I open that, and it's going to look something similar to this. So you can really go ahead and you can tweak this to your liking, guys, and you can see as well the email preview what will receive. So you can change this really to whatever you want. Here you can see it says for more customization, switch to automation, right? So you can switch to automation directory, which I showed you, to go to the three dots on the right hand side and go to automation. You can really go into here. If you look above as well, you can see the time and date, so you can really set up the schedule here for the time and the date and so forth, right? So that's really up to you how you want to set that. Now I'm gonna just quickly click on schedule here, guys, and as you can see, the report is quickly scheduled, and here you can see and you can edit the report at any point in time, right? You may be wondering, okay, how do I find it afterwards, right? It's very easy, because you can either go to the automation, right? So if you're in automation, you can go back here to the reports, and you can basically view all your email reports, which is going to take you into the schedule anyways, so you can find it. And here you can always go ahead and you can edit it and so forth, right? So here you have the edit button. You can click on that and you can edit whatever you want. You can tweak it even a bit more if you so desire. So once you quickly schedule that, I would suggest going to the schedule, and as I said before, you can go to automation as well from here, or you can click the three dots on the right hand side, go to automations, and you have everything here. You can go to schedule and you can get more from here, so you can edit it and you can just fine tune it to the way you want, right? Add more recipients. As I said, you can set up the subject, you can come here, you can add cards, you can do as much as possible, right? Get Jira. As you can see, it says add another action, so you can set up that for Jira. You can set it up for Slack, right? You can really customize it to the way you like, and once you're done, you click on save, and that's it. So guys, if you're looking for how to set up automations, this is a great way. So as I mentioned, you can do a ton of different automations here. So I would recommend come here. You can find a ton of different rules that you can create. You can set up due dates, you can add card for board buttons, so much, right? So it is really cool. So I really recommend that you come out here and you check out those automations and try to play with it, because guess what, you can do amazing things with automation here within Trello. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.